We were already using another email marketing platform, but as our subscribers grew in number, the price of the other email marketing platform also grew exponentially, but only provided limited features. That's when we thought we would give Zoho Campaigns a try, because it was much more feasible in terms of pricing, and it also provided much more features compared to our other email marketing platform. Hi, I'm Vijay Srinivas. I work as a digital marketer at 3D. So 3D is a company which sells 3D printers, 3D scanners, and also do 3D printing services. We have been in the market for 5 years now, and initially when the 3D printing boom happened about 3 years ago in India, we were the prominent player in the online space. So usually we get about 100 to 200 requests online through leads and enquiries daily. So in those days we were prominently using those Excel sheets, and over some point of time it became cumbersome. So we had to look for other softwares, and that's when we stumbled upon Zoho. Even though we were a Zoho user, we didn't use Zoho Campaigns at the start. So with features like segmentation and A by B campaigns, we are able to surgically send the right message to the right client. With the Google Analytics integration in Zoho Campaigns, we are able to track the user behavior in our website and their bounce rates and other kind of metrics as well. This has been giving us a comprehensive overview of how our campaigns are performing over time. Since we are already a Zoho One user, it has been incredibly easy for us to make our Zoho CRM and campaigns talk to each other and sync the data seamlessly. The Smart Send feature has come in really handy for us in improving the click-through rates. Earlier, we used to send emails in bulk at a particular time. So this particular time may not be the ideal time for our subscriber or our lead to open it and engage with it. So this way we potentially lost a lot of conversions in that way. With Smart Send feature in Zoho Campaigns itself figuring out the optimal time when the user is likely to open our emails and sends the email at that right moment.
Polls in Zoho Campaigns are something very helpful for us in organizing our 3D printing workshops across India. We used to get a lot of interest from people for conducting our 3D printing workshop in different cities across India, and earlier we used to follow a round-robin method for conducting these workshops. But right now, with the help of Zoho Polls, we are able to get intuitive insights and feedback directly from them, which helps us to identify which city has more need for a 3D printing workshop, and such a way it enables us to cater them soon.
With features like Smart Send, polls, automation workflows, we have been empowered more than ever to get this right. This way, we can send the right message to the right person at the right time.